In this video, I'm going to show you a possible fix if your keyboard is malfunctioning. Now, by that I mean if you're entering certain letters or numbers or characters on your keyboard and different ones are appearing rather than the ones you typed. This is probably not because your keyboard is broken or malfunctioning. It's probably because you have some kind of spyware or virus installed on your PC. Perhaps you've downloaded something recently, or perhaps you've just visited a very dodgy website and it's installed something onto your PC without you knowing. So before you kind of take your laptop or your PC to the repair shop, there is a simple solution you can try to see if the problem gets fixed. What I found quite recently, I was typing certain words and every time I entered the enter key on my keyboard, I was getting a backslash instead of the enter function. So I found quite a simple solution to fix this problem. I downloaded a free spyware removal software. It's called Malwarebytes, which is completely free. I'll put this link in the description. Just click on the free download link and install it as normal onto your Windows PC. So once that's installed, you should see the little icon on your desktop. Here it is. Click it here. It's quite a simple program to use. It should update itself manually, so if it isn't, just click on the updates option here to make sure it's updated to the latest version. And literally all you have to do is click the scan button. This usually takes a few minutes to scan. It depends on the kind of scan you selected, but if you just do the kind of basic scan, it should only take a few minutes, perhaps 5 or 6 minutes. And once it's completed, it will probably find quite a few kind of malicious kind of programs on your PC. And hopefully one of those will be the one which is causing your keyboard to malfunction. So just give it time, let it run, and it will show you a list of items that is scanned and any threats detected. And if it has found threats, it will quarantine those threats. And hopefully, fingers crossed, you usually have to restart your PC, and once that's done, the problem may be fixed. But it's worth trying, before you take it to the shops or anything like that. I let the program run for approximately 5 minutes while it completed its scan. In my case, it only found one potentially unwanted program. If this is the first time you've run it, it will probably find 10, 20, possibly even 30 more programs that it wants to remove. So once it detects the programs you want to remove, simply select the View Scan Results. And you can see the ones listed here. You can put a tick in the box if you want to remove it. Normally it's completely safe to remove these. To select Quarantine Selected. And it will put that threat into the quarantine bin, and if you want to reinstall it, just in case it's important, the program does allow you to do that. So once that's done, you can close that. Sometimes it asks you to restart your computer if it's found lots of different threats or perhaps a specific threat. So again, if your keyboard's malfunctioning, just give this program a try. It will probably solve your problem. Perhaps it won't, but it's worth a go. So that's it. Thanks for watching.